Hi everyone, and happy Shrove or Pancake Tuesday. This is a very quick video to remind you that I have two outstanding pancake recipes on the channel. First is this great sourdough blueberry one, and the other is a traditional recipe, and it's this amazing stack of strawberry pancakes. Both recipes are extremely easy to make and straightforward to follow. There'll be links to both in the description box below the video, and I hope you give at least one of these a try. Both recipes are in my recipe books, which are available in the channel's website shop. Okay, I told you it was a quick one. Once again, happy Pancake Day. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.